Ito yung dahilan kung bakit naging viral si Justin Bieber kahit lazy yung production niya sa Coachella. Habang yung iba, grabe yung production. Lights, dancers, full set, millions of dollars. Si Justin, hoodie, laptop, and YouTube. Parang wala lang. Parang nandun lang siya para makapag-inuman, makapagtambayan sa mga kaibigan niya. Habang yung iba, nandun para mag-perform, magpa-impress, para may patunayan sa sarili nila. Si Justin nandun para magkwento. Hindi siya nag-compete. Hindi siya nag-overperform. Hindi siya nagpanggap. He just showed up as himself. I'm not saying na nagpanggap yung iba, pero Justin was just being Justin. And that's exactly why he stood out. If you really want to stand out in life, stop copying what everyone else is doing. Do the opposite. Habang lahat nag-sugarcoat, ikaw magsabi ka ng totoo, kahit uncomfortable. Habang lahat ginagawang normal yung bad habits, tapos tinatawag na positivity, ikaw yung tumayo at panindigan mo yung values mo. Habang lahat umaasa sa AI para gumanda yung message nila, ikaw magsalita ka ng galing sa puso. Hindi kailangan perfect, pero totoo. Kasi sa totoo lang, people don't connect with perfection. They connect with real. Doon sa totoo. Doon sa nagpapakita ng rawness and vulnerability. Justin Bieber did not try to outperform everyone. He just showed up as himself. Yun lang. Love you guys. Peace.